Are you throwing away money on Google? Here's a shocking truth. Most gymnastics, swim, and dance studios are paying for clicks that never turn into students, but it's not your fault. Last month, I audited a dance studio's Google Ads account. They spent $2,000 on ads and got 0 new students. Why? Because they're making the exact same mistake I'm about to show you how to fix. After helping hundreds of kids' activity centers optimize their Google Ads, I've identified 6 crucial mistakes that are costing you enrollments. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix them and turn your ad into a consistent stream of new students. But first, let me share a quick success story. One of our clients was about to give up on Google Ads after wasting thousands of dollars. After implementing just 2 of the fixes I'm about to show you, they went from 0 to 5 new enrollments a week. The best part, they're actually spending less on ads than before. Let's dive into 6 crucial mistakes that are killing your Google Ads results. And most importantly, exactly how to fix them. Number 1, using broad or irrelevant key terms. This is the #1 way gymnastics and dance studios and swim schools waste their money. Let me show you exactly what I mean. When you bid on broad terms like gymnastics or dance or swim, you're competing for clicks that people who might be looking for Olympic highlights or TikTok trends or not classes for their kids. Instead, here's what works. Use Google's keyword planner to find high-intent local keywords that actually bring in parents ready to enroll. For example, gymnastics classes for kids in your city, toddler tumbling near me, beginner ballet classes in your city. Pro tip, though, want to know what keywords are working for your competitors? Enter their website in the keyword planner. You'll see exactly what terms they're ranking for, and more importantly, which ones are bringing them in actual students. Second thing, targeting people who will never sign up. Here's a painful truth. If your ads are showing up for people outside of your service area, you're literally paying for clicks that will never convert. I see this mistake all the time, but it's actually really easy to fix. Here is what you need to do. Go to the Locations tab in Google Ads. Set a 10 to 15 mile radius around your business. Most importantly, select presence, people in or regularly in your targeted location. This last step is crucial because it ensures only local parents see your ad. No more wasted money on clicks from people who live too far away to ever become students. The third thing, sending traffic to a weak website. Even the best ads won't convert if your website isn't set up to capture leads. Here are the 3 biggest website mistakes that kill conversions. Sending traffic to the homepage with no clear call to action, making parents search for the class details instead of presenting them immediately, not having easy to find contact or sign up form. The fix, create a dedicated landing page built specific for conversions. It should have a clear offer like a get free trial class, a bold, obvious call to action button, and a fast loading, mobile friendly design. Remember, most parents are searching on their phones. Fourth thing, ignoring free ad extensions. This is like leaving free money on the table. Ad extensions are a completely free feature that makes your ad more visible and effective, but most kids activity centers skip them entirely. Here are the must-use extensions you need to put in your ads. Call extension adds a call now button for mobile users. Site links, link to important pages like class schedule and pricing. Call out extensions, short, persuasive text like first class free, limited spots available. Fifth thing, letting Google control your budget. Google's default settings are designed to spend your money as quickly as possible, but you can take control with these specific steps. Start with $10 to $20 a day and scale up based on results. Set ad scheduling to run only when parents are most likely searching, typically mornings and evenings. Use manual bidding instead of Google's maximize click setting, which often leads to unnecessary spending. The sixth thing, not tracking results. If you're not tracking conversions, you're flying blind. Here's how to set up proper tracking. Enable conversions tracking to see which ads drive signups. Use Google Analytics to monitor website behavior. Set up call tracking to measure phone inquiries. Let me share a real example of how this all works together. We had a client who was spending $500 per month on Google Ads with almost no result. After implementing these fixes, especially the keyword targeting and landing page optimization, they started getting 3 to 4 new student inquiries per week, all while spending the same amount on ads. The key is to think like parents searching for classes. They're not looking for general information about gymnastics or dance. They're looking for specific classes at specific times in their specific areas. When you align your ads with this intent, That's when you start seeing real results. Here's the bottom line. If you're spending money on Google Ads without the right setup, you're literally throwing your money away on useless clicks. But by implementing these 6 critical fixes, using targeted local keywords, setting proper location targeting, building conversion-focused landing pages, utilizing free ad extensions, controlling your budget strategically, and tracking and optimizing results, you can turn those wasted ad dollars into real enrollments for your gymnastics, dance studio, or swim school. But here's what most people miss. Google Ads is just one piece of the marketing puzzle. In my next video, I'll show you how to combine these ad strategies with organic marketing to create a complete enrollment system. Click on the video screen now to learn more.